Hello, in this session, I'll be explaining string operations introduced in 7.4, 7.5 syntax. Basically, string operations are divided into three categories, mainly string templates, chaining operator, and string functions. String templates helps to concatenate non-numeric fields without using a third variable. Earlier, to 7.4, to concatenate a numeric field and a string, we need to first convert the numeric field to a string data type or character data type. So you need to declare one character data type and save those numeric values to the character before doing the concatenation. With string templates, we no need to do that. We can use pipe symbols and the value, numeric value, we can keep inside the curly brackets to help enable concatenation of numeric and non-numeric values like numeric and string values. Another thing is string chaining. If you need to concatenate multiple string values into one string, we need to concatenate each one by one separated by space or any separator. So this was our syntax before 7.4. In 7.4 and later, the chaining operator introduced that helps to concatenate multiple variables without using the word concatenate in the syntax. And the symbol is ampersand and ampersand. That's called chaining operator. It chains a series of variables, string variables to be concatenated. Next comes string function. There are a set of string functions. I have just explained few of them. If you need to translate the string to uppercase or into get a part of a string that called substring, or you need to replace a string with other string, then you can use. So before 7.4, we are using translate keyword to translate one string to uppercase. Whereas with 7.4 and after, we can use the function to upper. The to upper can be used in the if condition as well. That's because it is function. You can use it in if condition. You can use it the way I'm showing it here. Then replace, we are doing replace all occurrence of the string in the main string. The main string is leaders are one, but are you sure they are one? So I in the LD text string, I want to check the occurrence of one and I want to replace with made. So this was the earlier syntax. However, in 7.4 and more, you can use the function replace to replace the value with on the string val. So the val is the string and sub is what to be searched to replace, what to be replaced. So val is the string where you search for the sub one and replace with made. So this is nothing but the same similar thing, but here we are using replace all occurrence of with release 7.4 and later we use replace function. This is the value, this LD text, and this sub is the one, and what to be replaced with is the with. Syntax is similar. The only thing is because if it is a function, it can be used inside the if condition. It can be used anywhere. But before 7.4, we need to have separate statement for the replace functionality. Similarly, for the substring, for substring, earlier before 7.4, we need to declare a variable and have some values. Then we need to use the variable plus starting index and up to how many character length we want the substring. In the new syntax, we don't need to declare the variable earlier. Before 7.4, we are declaring the variable, and to take the substring, we need to identify the offset and length. In new release 7.4 and after, you can use substring function. You can take this you can assign is a variable as well, the string variable containing the value. Then you specify the offset from which position, length, up to how many characters we want the substring. Because it is 7.4 and after, no need to declare the string variable. Rather, you can use inline declaration to declare the string variable. So this is all about the string functions we will be frequently using. There are so many functions addition to that, like to upper to translate to uppercase, to lower to translate to lowercase, replace, find substring inside the string and replace with the string we want, substring to get part of the string given that the offset and length. Thank you.